You might be struggling with Upwork right now, but rest assured, after this video, you're going to be a lot better off. The major thing in order to be successful with Upwork or with freelance in general is to be able to stand out. You stand out by having a great profile, a great portfolio, a great presentation, and a great proposal to send to clients. You may go into Upwork thinking that it's a little bit unfair when there's a lot of proposals for one job. Especially now in 2022, they've released a new feature that allows people to bid with Connects, which can be a little bit frustrating. You know, some people bid thousands of Connects in order to get one job, and you have to stay there with just a few because that's what you can afford. And that's perfectly fine. I don't actually bid on projects with Connects. I just use the standard 6 or 7 that it takes, and that's been perfectly fine. The first way of making sure that you stand out to clients is with a proposal. When you're sending a proposal on Upwork, it's important to structure it in a tiered way. And what I mean with this is to structure it by upper, middle, and lower funnel. The upper funnel is the part that really describes who you are and what you do. It's a very brief overview, about a sentence long. The middle funnel, the way I strategize this is I give the client 3 options with pricing. You know, option 1, they get this. Option 2, they get a little bit more. And option 3, the most expensive one, is even higher. And the reason that I do this is just a very old sales tactic, which says, you know, show low, show high, and sell middle. What it does is it stops you from potentially pigeonholing yourself by saying, you know, to the client, it costs X amount of dollars, and then that might be too low for the client because they don't think they're getting the quality. It might be too high for the client because it's out of their budget. The lower funnel, the last part of your proposal, should be basically about how long it takes, how to get in touch with you, and the next steps. So, you know, in Upwork case, it might say, you know, I can start this project on Monday. It'll take till the end of the week. Get in touch with me using the Upwork message board and book a consultation call with me there. The second part is having a complete profile. You know, a lot of people just write one profile and then they just leave it there, and they're wondering why they don't get a lot of views. The main thing is you have to have a scroll stopping headline and then have a complete profile that has all of the characters used. Upwork gives you about 5,000 characters, so you can fill it with a lot of content, and you can structure it very similar to how you structure your proposal with upper, middle, and lower funnel content. The way I like to do it is have a really striking headline, and then a nice brief body copy piece, maybe 1 or 2 paragraphs, and then 3 to 5 bullet points that just kind of outline what you talked about. So it's very skimmable and it's easy to look through for clients. It also really pays to have the right keywords in your profile so that you're getting found. If you're struggling to find what keywords to put in your profile and to be found, the easiest way that I've found to do this is go to a site like a hiring site like Indeed or LinkedIn. LinkedIn is really great for this. Go to the job description of a similar job you're looking for. So if you're a graphic designer, search through jobs that are looking for a graphic designer, pick about 10 of them, and in the place that you want to work. So if you want to work in the US or you want to work in Europe, you know, choose that location, look through the job description, and look for common keywords that they're using. Those common keywords are the way clients are talking. You want to make sure not to add in any highly technical terms to your profile. The reason being is that it's difficult for clients to search for this. So when you're looking at these keywords, take a note of what are the common ones that clients are using in their job descriptions to find people to work for them, because that's the way they talk. You want to make sure that your profile reflects that. So you might be a JavaScript developer, but clients aren't really going to know what a JavaScript developer is, you know? So how does that relate to web development? You know, you are a website developer if you're programming in Java, but clients aren't going to know that. So that's up to you to make sure that it's clear on what you do and stand out on search. The third thing is to make sure that your profile is absolutely complete. You know, Upwork gives you 3 specialized profiles, so make sure you use them. Make sure you fill out your project catalog as well, and add as many pieces as you can to that. That'll make you stand out as well, and have a complete portfolio. Upwork has the completeness of your profile bar that shows you like what percentage you're at. And just make sure to go through all of the pieces of your profile and make sure everything is optimized for search, because that's the main way clients are going to find you, especially to send you invites. One pro tip for the day is if you want to receive more invites, one of the strategies that I use is I reduce my hourly rate. It may look a little strange having someone with a lot of earnings or a lot of hours have a lower rate, but what it does is it increases the likelihood of clients inviting you to projects. The best part about this is that you can use that feature and respond to these invites, and that'll award you with 10 free connects. So that's a really great way to build up connects for free without purchasing them. Make sure to click the like button, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel as well. If you have any questions, I'm always here to help. So reach out to me at www.creatively.com.